MBBS में एडमिशन तो ले ली, अभी कहाँ से पढ़ना है कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। ऐसा क्यों नहीं है कि कोई हमें शुरू से अंत तक सब कुछ पढ़ाए। आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग MBBS you must be searching for the lectures that used to make you understand each and every concept like PW, Allen, Akash in your 12th and NEET preparation. Hello friends, this is Soumya Saraswat, second year MBBS student at SGMCH Puri, and today I will be sharing with you the best YouTube channels for your first year MBBS. Coming to the first subject is anatomy, which you will be giving most of your time to. The first channel is Dr. Asif Qureshi. Here you will get line by line explanation of the book BD Chaurasia, and in the lecture sir will highlight the important topics. He will be covering about the clinical cases and the important questions for your university exam. Coming to the second channel for anatomy is Johari MBBS. The specialty about this channel is the pinpoint answer to the university question, precise note for university question, and a 3D model of explanation to understand all the concepts. Still, in my experience, nobody is close to the legend Dr. Ashwini sir. You can take paid subscription of any platform and enjoy his teaching. For more detail, you can join our Telegram channel, link in description and pinned comment. If you find the video helpful, then do hit the like button as this encourages me to make more such videos for you. Now coming to biochemistry, this is the most neglected subject in first year MBBS, and for this I will recommend you only one channel, that is Dr. Rajesh Jambulkar sir. The best thing about this channel is the orientation before starting any chapter. Sir highlights the short answer questions and the long answer questions that can come in your university exams. To be honest, the latest lectures of Jambulkar sir are much better than the previous one, and for more details about the latest lectures you can join our Telegram channel. Now coming to physiology, see, this subject is something like you will feel that I have read something about it. So first channel for physiology I will recommend is Ninja Nerd. Here you will get a detailed explanation of your topics in physiology, but the thing is the lectures are a bit lengthy. If you can be a consistent reader for the full year, then this channel can be beneficial for you. The second channel I would recommend for physiology is Dr. Preeti Tyagi ma'am. The specialty about this channel is this is an Indian channel and you will get a good explanation from ma'am about the topics. Now coming to the third channel is Edu Club, and here you will get the most precise notes for your MBA exam, the university exams. To the point, very good notes are provided in this YouTube channel. You can check out. आशा करता हूँ कि ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा। अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो पे लाइक दबाइए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ऐसे वीडियो के लिए। अगर आपका कोई भी डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जिस पे आप वीडियो चाहते हैं उसको कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं। कोई डाउट हो तो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे DM कर सकते हैं, या फिर हम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट संडे 9 AM को। थैंक यू।